Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Empirical School to learn smart English. Today, we're exploring one of the most fun and expressive tools in language, onomatopoeia. Yep, that's a long word, but trust me, it's easier than it sounds. Let's break it down together. So, what exactly is onomatopoeia? Simply put, it's a word that imitates or mimics a sound. In other words, the word sounds like what it means. Let's look at a few examples. When a door closes loudly, we say it bangs. When bees fly around, they buzz. When rain hits the ground, it pitter-patters. When a cat is happy, it goes meow. And when thunder strikes, it booms. See? Each of those words sounds like the noise it describes, and that's what makes them onomatopoeic words. Now, you might wonder, why do we use them? Well, onomatopoeia adds life and energy to writing. It helps readers hear what's happening, not just imagine it. For example, compare these two sentences. The dog barked loudly. The dog went woof, woof, and ran toward the gate. The second one feels more real, right? That's the magic of onomatopoeia, it makes writing sound alive. Writers and poets use these sound words to create vivid imagery. Think of comics, bang, pow, crash. Every sound pops right off the page. Or in poetry, listen to this. The popcorn popped. The firewood crackled. And the raindrops splashed against the window. You can almost hear those sounds as you read. And here's something cool. Onomatopoeia isn't just in English. Different languages have their own versions of sound words. For example, in English, dogs go woof. But in Japanese, they go wan wan. Language may change, but sound is universal. So next time you write a story, poem, or even a comic, try adding onomatopoeic words like buzz, crash, tick-tock, or whoosh. They'll make your writing more vivid, fun, and memorable. Alright, let's wrap up. Remember, onomatopoeia means sound-imitating words. It makes your language expressive and exciting. And most importantly, it makes your readers hear what you write. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about onomatopoeia, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart English lessons. Till next time, keep learning, and keep your words buzzing with life.